Good evening, everybody. Are you able to hear me? I will just enable the chat for a few minutes so that you can tell me whether you are able to hear me or not. Good evening, everybody. Can you people hear me? Can you please respond? Good evening, good evening, good evening. Very good evening to all of you and welcome to today's session on data visualization. I'll just take few minutes. I'll take a quick recap of what we did yesterday so that we can go ahead comfortably forward. Yes. So what did we do yesterday? Yesterday's we started our boot camp on data science. Is it not? We divided the entire course into three parts. The first part was basics of data science and data analysis. And then we said that we did yesterday. And then we said we will look at data visualization for the next 2 days, right? How many of you agree? Let's take a quick recap of what we did yesterday. Can anybody tell me what we did yesterday? Come on quickly. What did you learn? What are the two languages that are very important for learning data science? R and Python, R and Python. Very good, very good, very good. R and Python. Fantastic. I'll ask you one more question just for a minute, please. Is data structures important for data science? Yes, yes, sir. Data structures is very, very important for data science. Lot of people yesterday were telling us that, sir, data science, how should we practice? Which language should we be practicing on? Yesterday, Ravi Kiran sir told us, yesterday, Rajesh sir told us that Java is the most preferable language in which you should be practicing data science. Is it not? Right, right, right. Java is the right answer. Sai Puneet, very good. Now, we'll take a small introduction to today's session. The first thing is, yesterday we spoke of introduction to data science. What we did yesterday actually was we basically understood what data science was, what are the various programming languages that are required to become a professional in data science. Then we said that what the entire programming in data science takes place in the back end. It does not come to the front end. A non-computer science graduate like me cannot actually look at, understand the data that is given by the Python and R. The background programming, the data analysis part is what we did yesterday. And in today's session, what we are going to do is whatever data analysis we do, what is the utility of data analysis? In millions and billions of the user data, there will be a lot of information, which some of it might be useful, some of it might be junk, some of it might not be relevant, and some of it might contain so much information that you can really make very meaningful decisions out of it. I'll give you a very small example. Let us say, let us take the month of December. December is a winter season. And early October, November winter season starts. If I just take a look at the credit card swiping data for the months of October, November, and December, the amount of information that I can get is people will buy sweaters, people will buy jackets, people will buy blankets, people will buy heaters. This is the kind of information I get. So based on this information, all this information, billions and billions of user information is basically analyzed by using our Python and R languages. But unfortunately, the output of this Python and of this analysis is not easily understood by laymen. Let us take the example of a very small shop, of a shopkeeper. If you give him a big piece of code and try say this is the analysis, nobody will understand anything out of it. So what he wants is a graphical representation of the entire thing. Okay. So once, in order to do the graphical representation of the data that has been analyzed by writing a code in either Python or R, we require data visualization tools. And that is exactly what we are going to look at today and tomorrow. Today, we are going to look at one tool, that is Tableau. And tomorrow, we are going to look at one more tool, that is Power BI. Two very frequently and most commonly used data visualization tools in the industry. So this session is going to be important for today's session. Is not only is today's session going to be important, tomorrow's session also is going to be significantly important, because tomorrow you are going to learn something different. The same data visualization that you do today through Tableau, you will learn how to do it through which language tomorrow? Can anybody answer? Power BI. Sneha, very good. Tomorrow we are going to look at data visualization using Power BI. Today I have got with me a very renowned faculty, a very renowned trainer, and a person with 15 years of experience. I would like to welcome Professor Ravi Kiran Garu, who will be taking us through the various aspects of visualizing data through using Tableau. Ravi Kiran sir, can you please unmute yourself? Ravi Kiran sir.
Sorry, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please switch on your video also?
Yeah.
Ravi Kiran sir
Yes, sir.
is...
Yes, sir. Good evening, everybody.
Ravi Kiran sir is a renowned professional in the area of databases and database management systems, and he has got extensive experience in using Tableau as a tool for data visualization. I will hand over the session to Ravi Kiran sir. First things, yes, we will set a few ground rules today. In the next 1 minute, I'm going to switch the chat off. Point number 1. Point number 2, I want you to have a pen and a paper besides you. In the last 15 minutes, I will make the chat available to everybody, so that people can ask questions one after the other. Yesterday, if you have seen, we had some tough time in the beginning when people were keeping on asking questions, and we could not actually go forward comfortably. Yes, Charan, you will get recorded sessions. Don't worry. Please, everybody, recorded sessions, certificates, everything will be available. Please don't worry about them. I'll make Ravi Kiran sir as a co-host, and he will be able to share his screen. Sir, you are a co-host now, sir. You can share your screen and start the session.
Thank you. So, am I audible to everybody? Today, I will give some illustration about the Tableau. The Tableau is a data visualization tool. Tableau is a data visualization tool and used to make effective graphical user representations. Basically, this is a business analytics tool. You can do visualizations as used like with very huge data. This is the environment of the Tableau workbook. Here we have menu bar, toolbar, dimension shelf, measure shelf, and filter shelf, and show me tab. we are making the computations over the dimensions and measures. Today, I will demonstrate my presentation by solving some case studies. Now, let us start with the first case study. So this is the layout of the Tableau workbook. Here we have blue pills. These blue pills are called dimensions, and these are all the green pills. Green pills are measures. So what is dimension? A dimension is nothing but the attribute. Suppose if you consider a table employee, employee number, employee name, employee sale is attributes. So employee number one, name is Anil, his salary is 25,000. Employee number two, Krishna, his salary is 30,000. Employee number three, Silpa, her salary is 45,000. Those are all the records values. So you are making computation on both attributes like employee number, employee name, and so on, as well as the values associated for the attribute.
Sir, Ravi Kumar, sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
your screen is hung actually. We are not able to, it is stuck at Tableau material only.
Are you not able to see the once one 1 minute, sir? Again, I'm sharing. Sir, are you visible now, sir?
Yes, sir. That Tableau material thing is visible.
Inside the first exercise.
No, sir. We are just stuck at TSRK 16. We are stuck.
1 minute, I will share once again.
It is not changing, sir.
1 minute, I will do once again. Anyhow, I will share the application. I will share the application. Let me know whether the window is visible or not.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Tableau public book 1 is visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. That is an application part, sir. Anyhow, I will demonstrate it through application. So first of all, this is the workbook. This is the workbook. First of all, we have to connect the data source. Here, my data source is Excel. I am connecting Microsoft Excel. D drive, this PC, desktop. In desktop, I created a folder. Tableau data or Tableau workshop. In Tableau workshop, I have an Excel file, sample superstore. First of all, you need to import sample superstore. But how do you get the sample superstore Excel file? You can download it from web and keep it in folder. Just I'm opening that. So in the table, in sample superstore database, I have again three tables: orders, people, returns. Can everybody able to watch this window, this application part? Let me know. Can everybody able to see this application part? Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Can everybody able to see this application part? Sir, sir, can I? Yeah,
Sir,
am
they
I
are
audible?
able to see, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So here I connected the data source sample superstore. In that I have three tables called order, people, and returns. First of all, we need to drag it. Orders, people, returns. So now the relationship between the three tables, orders, returns, and people. I think returns duplicated. I'm removing this duplicate. Orders, returns, and people. Now you can find three tables: order, people, and returns. At the same time, the relationship between the tables are established automatically. So in first step, you have to make the relationship between the tables. Next, you can see the data over here. You can see the data over here. Next, then now go to sheet one. Sheet one. Go to sheet one. Now I will show the manual. Order date and sales. Sir, are you able to see my PDF file, sir?
Yes, sir. We are able to see your PDF file.
So here I'm selecting order date in column shelf, and that is blue pill. Next, I'm selecting sales from measures. Blue color pills are called dimensions, green color pills are called measures. So I'm selecting order date in column shelf. I'm selecting sales in row shelf. Now I'm switching to the, sir, can you able to see my application part, sir?
We are still seeing that PDF document only, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm switching to the application part. Yes. Now are you able to see this application part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
Yeah. Now I am dragging order date to column shelf. You are getting some values. Next, sales to row shelf. Automatically a line chart. This is show me tab. In show me tab, you have a visualization lines. So you did not invoke a single line of code. Just you are dragging both dimensions and measures on the visual interface given to you. Integrated Development Environment, IDE, given to you. So you did not invoke in single line of code. So this is one of the basic presentation. Next. So this is simple exercise. This is simple exercise 1. Again, can I demonstrate once again?
Yes, sir.
You have two kinds of categories. One is dimensions. Dimensions means blue color pills. The second part is green color pills. The blue color pills are attributes and the green color pills are values. We are making computation on both attributes as well as the values, because we require both attributes and well as the values to do the data analysis. As far as the data analysis is concerned, even you are not writing a single code, just you are dragging both dimensions and measures. First, order date.
Sir, sir, just 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we just do a small thing, sir? Can we just tell the students what Tableau actually does?
Yeah,
It
sure,
would
definitely.
very-
Actually,
So
Tableau is a data visualization tool, whereas we are doing huge computations on the data, on the huge data. But as far as the Excel is concerned, we cannot compute the data as we like. At the same time, we need to invoke some regular expressions and formulas. If you don't know the regular expressions and formulas, we cannot do any computations. You need to remember some formulas. Without remembering the formulas, we cannot do any computation. But as far as the Tableau or Power BI is concerned, even a stakeholder he did not remember a single instruction, he can do the computations. Just he needs some common sense. With the common sense, you are making business analysis on the huge data, and you are extracting the results just by invoking your common sense. That's all. That is the major difference between the Excel and It's these data visualization tool. That may be either Tableau or Power BI. Did you got my point, sir? Sir, am I, sir? Sir, sir, can you give me response, sir?
Yes, sir.
Actually, we need to remember more number of formulas, and the visualization part is very limited in Excel as far as Excel is concerned. But in Tableau, we are making huge number of computations with huge data, and extracting the results even by writing. You extracting the results instantaneously by not invoking a single command. You are not required to remember any regular expressions. You are not required to remember any formulas. You can make any number of
So,
visualizations.
sir, basically, Tableau is a tool where we take a lot of data and make graphical representation out of that data and get information. Is it not, sir?
Yes, sir. That can be happened through Excel also.
Yes, sir. But
But in
Excel is
Excel, you need
difficult.
to remember regular expressions and formulas.
Okay, okay. In
We as
Tableau,
stakeholder,
we need to.
as a human beings, it is very difficult to memorize and remembering all the regular expressions, all the formulas in by all the time. It is very difficult, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Here, just we require just common sense. That's all.
Okay,
We
sir.
require common sense how to use the integrated development environment IDE.
Okay, sir.
If you are well versed using IDE, you can make miracles.
Okay, sir.
Now I connected a sample. So now I connected sample superstore database. From the beginning, I will demonstrate once again, sir. Can I
Yes,
do
sir.
it from beginning?
Yes,
Once
sir.
again, the same exercise.
Yes, sir.
First of all, launch Tableau. First of all, just you but whenever we're going to demonstrate Tableau or Power BI, user involvement is much required, sir. User involvement is very much required. Since these are all the data visualization tools, we need more concentration. Now are you able to see the desktop, sir?
Yes, sir.
There I have Tableau public to 2022.3. There are you able to see that icon?
Yes, sir.
Just you make double click on that. Now Tableau environment is ready. You can make use of this Tableau environment. Are you able to see the?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
Just you connect to Microsoft Excel, but you need to download the required data. Here I downloaded data. Desktop. Desktop. Desktop T. Tableau material. Let Tableau workshop. In that, I have selected Tableau data. From that, I'm selecting an Excel file, sample superstore, which contains huge number of records. Now the data source, the Excel file, sample superstore is connected. Sir, are you able to see
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in that sample superstore, I have three tables. One is order. Another one is people. Another one is returns. So we have three tables in the data source. First of all, just you drag orders. Here you can find the data. Totally, I have 9,994 rows in orders table.
Okay, sir.
Next, just you drag the table people on the interface. So the table people is dragged on the interface. At the same time, it makes relations with the table order. We are not invoking any commands. We are not invoking any instructions to make the relations. Just I am dragging and dropping the tables. Again, I am dragging the table written on the interface. So now the tables, 3 tables are dragged on the interface, and the relationship between the tables are established automatically. But in earlier 20 years back, we need to make a relationship between the primary table and the foreign tables with the referential integrity. We need to invoke commands, which is very difficult. So did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just I'm dragging and dropping. Again, I'm doing that.
Guys, you need to respond. Your chat is on.
Just I'm dragging orders, people, returns. Here I did not invoke a single command. Here I did not invoke a single command. But I made multifarious relationship between the tables. Just we need some common sense, that's all. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir.
Next, you select sheet 1. Your interface is ready. Your interface is ready. Here I have some blue color pills and I have some green color pills. Are you able to see the blue color pills, sir?
No, sir.
Oh. Are you able to see the interface what I have shared?
Yes, yes, sir. Sheet 1 we are able to see, sir.
Now is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir. Please
I
continue.
think some communication lapse is there, I think.
Yes, sir.
Here, are you able to see blue color attributes?
Yes, sir. Customer ID and all those things.
Yeah, these are all the customer ID, customer name, order date, order ID. These are all the blue color pills, blue color attributes. These blue color attributes are called dimensions. Here, are you able to see the green color attributes?
Discount, profit, quality, sales, sir.
Exactly, exactly. Those are all measures. Here employee number is the attribute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 300 or 400 are the values. So the blue color attribute represents the employee number. The green color pill represents the value for that employee number. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir.
So the green color attributes, the green color pills representing the values, blue color pill representing the field. For example, employee number. Employee number means employee number 1. Sorry, employee number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 300 or 400, 5,000, 6,000. Those are all the values. So the green color attributes representing the values and the blue color attribute representing the field.
Yes, sir.
So we are making computation on values as well as the data. Fields and values. I'm making use of both green color pills and red color pills. Sorry, blue color pills. The blue color pills are called dimensions and green color pills are called measures. So first of all, we should know, actually it is not that much of required what is that to know the difference between the what is the attribute and what is the value. But I'm giving some information, sir.
Okay, sir. Continue. Sir.
Actually, stakeholder doesn't need to know the difference between the attributes and values. He doesn't know, he is not required to know the difference between the green color attributes and blue color attributes. So first of all, I'm order date. Order date. The order date is here. Order date. Yes. I'm dragging to column cell. Just next, I'm dragging green color attribute sales to row cell. So here automatically line chart is selected from show me tab. Here you can find a tab, show me tab. Are you able to see this show me tab, sir?
Yes, sir.
Just I'm dragging the both columns and rows. I mean green pills and blue pills. The visualizations is automatically get ready. That is the advantage of Power Tableau.
Okay, sir.
So this is application number one. Anyhow, later I can share the manual. Students can use that manual, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is application number one. A simple application.
Sir, can you just summarize the application, sir?
Sir, actually here, I want to know the sales. I want to
Okay.
know the sales for the academic year, for the year 2014. Here the sales in 2014 is 500K. In 2015, it is reduced.
So it basically means whichever column and row you select, Tableau will plot the required graph, sir.
Yes, yes.
And what kind of graphs can it plot, sir?
This is line chart, sir. We have so many visualizations, sir.
Can you give us a few examples, sir?
Like pie chart.
Yes, sir.
This is pie chart. This is packed bubble. This is tree map.
Okay.
This is highlight table. These are all. This is maps. These are all maps. This is circle view.
Okay, sir.
So slowly we need to solve the problem by problem. Then only you can understand the entire jargon and purpose, sir.
Okay, sir.
So the line chart here, the purpose of the line chart is to know the sales. Again, I'm drawing the same chart. Just first of all, I'm dragging order date. Order date is blue pill. Dimension. Next, I'm dragging sales. Sales is the green pill. By default, automatically the Tableau software selects the most suitable visualizations. It selects automatically. Even you are not required to select. So what is the sales? What is the sales in 2016?
Sir, there is a question.
Yes, sir.
One Mr. Ankit Chaudhary is asked, sir, can we visualize multiple columns and multiple rows together?
Yes. No, we can do multiple columns and multiple rows. No problem.
Okay.
We can include any number of attributes or any number of measures in both column shelf as well as the row shelf.
So Ankit, does it answer your question? Sir, you can go ahead, sir. I will be.
First of all, we need to understand the we need to, if you are able to do the application by application, we can find more answers, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is a simple exercise. First one. Can I go to the next exercise, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, from beginning, I am doing that.
Yes, sir.
I am closing the workbook now.
Yes, sir.
But in order to save the workbook, you need to, for students, it is free, sir, for 1 month.
Yes, sir.
For any, if you want to store more than 1 month, you need to go for subscription, sir.
Okay, sir.
But it is not required right now because we are learning the jargon.
Give a brief idea of what is the next exercise that we are doing, and let's start with the exercise.
Yeah, I will explain. Sir. Sir, are you able to see my
Yeah, the desktop is clear, sir.
desktop is now? I will share my learn scare. Now, are you able to see my desktop, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now I am choosing the folder learn square, Tableau manual. The next exercise is bar chart.
Okay, sir.
Here I have furniture. What is the sales of furniture? 7,42,000. Office supplies. Are you able to see, sir?
Yes, sir.
Office supplies. 7,19,047. And the technologies 8,36,154. So I am able to visualize the sales of products belonging to different categories through bar chart. So I have some products. So I'm going to visualize the sales of that products by making the visualization bar chart. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. So we
Here,
are basically trying to understand how to create bar charts in Tableau.
yes, creating
Okay.
a bar chart. First of all, in column shelf, what we need to include category. In row shelf, what we need to include sales.
Yes, sir.
Here, I have one more cart, marks. Are you able to see the cart? Marks?
Yes, sir.
M-A-R-K-S, marks cart.
Yes, sir.
Here, color, we have one more tab, color.
Yes, sir.
In that, we need to choose category.
Okay, sir.
Here, one more cart, label.
Yes, sir.
One more tab, label in marks cart. We need to select sales. First of all, we have to be very, very clear what are the dimension and measures should be dragged in the interface. We need to know that. So user should have common sense on that, sir. Unless you don't know, unless user don't know which measure have to be dragged on column shelf and which dimension have to be dragged on either column shelf or row shelf. Unless he doesn't have any knowledge, he cannot visualize.
Okay, sir.
Understood my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First of all, screen. I'm sharing my screen. Are you able to
Yes,
see
sir. We are
my
able to see, sir.
There you need to launch Tableau public. You need to select the application Tableau public and give double click. Now your workbook is ready. Are you able to see that workbook, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
Now the second step is you need to connect the data source. We need to give data source. Here I'm connecting data source Microsoft Excel. This is in desktop. You can store your Excel sheet wherever you like. There is no issue. Actually, I have created one folder for your organization, sir. Actually, I am looking for that. It is not visible. Anyhow, Tableau workshop, Tableau data. There you need to select sample superstore. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes.
So wherever you keep the data, it is not, it is not at all an issue. You can keep data in C drive, you can keep data in desktop, you can keep your data in D drive, wherever you store it. That is not at all, that is not at all a, that is not a hurdle. You can keep data wherever you like, but you need to show the path. Here, desktop, Tableau workshop, Tableau data. In Tableau data, sample superstore. Now I made connection with the sample superstore. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir.
Here I have three tables. Table 1, table 2, table 3. Table 3. You can select table 3. You drag table 3. How many rows we have? Totally 296 rows we have. Again, people. You drag people. How many rows we have? 4 rows. 2 fields and 4 rows. Order. Drag order. How many rows we have? We have 9,994 rows. This is the, in fact, this is the very large table. People, now you drag. How many rows we have? We have only 4 rows. Very simple table, very simple table consists of 4 rows. Next, returns. How many rows we have? We have 296 rows. Sir, are you able to see the rows, sir? Here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who fills 296 rows? Okay. Now I am dragging all the 3 tables on the canvas. Orders, people, returns. Automatically, the relationship between the tables established. We are not invoking any command. We are not in making any physical connections. We are not invoking any query. We are not writing anything. Just I am dragging all the 3 tables onto the canvas. Sir, did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to hear you, sir.
Are you able to understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So just I dragged the tables. Relationships are established automatically. Here I am not writing a single line of code also. Next, we have to select sheet 1. Next, we have to select, after making the connections, we have to select the sheet 1. Here we can do the, now this is the environment where we can do computations. First of all, columns of category. So category is blue pill. Blue pill means what dimension?
Sir, uh, uh, please ask the students also whether they understood or not, sir.
Nobody is responding, sir. Just why.
They are responding, sir. They are responding in the chat window.
Sir, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Because
I will be the interface between you and them, sir.
Sir, you have to take care, sir. Because
I will do it, sir.
Whenever we are doing visualizations, it is very difficult to.
I understand that, sir.
If you have any from students' side, please.
I'll ask, sir.
So till now, is there any doubt, sir?
No, sir. Till now, it is okay.
So here I have blue pills and green pills. Blue pills are called dimensions and green pills are measures. We need to compute both dimensions as well as the measures. Now you drag the category to the column shelf. Just I dragged it. Next, I dragged sales to the row shelf. Here, what is the visualization horizontal bars? Are you able to see horizontal bars on show me cart, sir?
Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
So did you invoke any command, sir? No.
No, sir.
Did you written any query?
No, sir.
Just you dragged the dimension and measures on the column shelf as well as the row shelf. For that, what we require, sir? Just we need some common sense. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, marks. Are you able to understand, observe the marks card here? Marks card, MARKS.
Yes, sir.
Here I have tab color and label.
Yes, sir.
Now, category. Category. Just you drag category on the colors tab. The color visualizations appears automatically. Again, can I do it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Just you select the category, mouse click, and drag it over color card. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, sales. Sales. First, you select the sales and drag it over the label tab. Sales. Category furniture. Sales 7,42,200. Category office supplies. Sales 7,19,047.
Sir, there is one question that is come. One Adilakshmi has asked this question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just by using this tool, we are making our process of visualization easy. But in Microsoft Fabric, we will use Apache Spark and all those. Can you explain why, sir?
Actually, every tool has its own jargon. Every tool has its own significance. We cannot compare the functionality of one tool with the another tool. Both this Excel and Power BI are two, even though they are distinct, but the operation is similar. So the expert who deals Apache Spark can differentiate the mode of operations. But I don't know Apache Spark.
Okay, sir.
That's why.
Sir, there is one question from Shakti Vigneshwaran.
Okay.
He says, how to change the colors in the graph, or is it fixed? Shakti, I think sir has explained that by dragging the table
Yeah,
column.
anyhow, again I will show. Again I will show.
Okay,
No
sir.
problem. Again I will show. Here, this is the, sir, is this,
Yeah, it is visible, sir.
is this horizontal bar is visible?
Yes, sir.
So here, can you observe marks card?
Yes, sir.
In marks card, we have a tab called color.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, we have one more tab, label.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you choose the column order date. You choose the blue pill. You choose the blue pill dimension. You choose the blue pill order date and just you drag it over the tab. That's all. Sorry, category, not order date, category. Where is category? So sales, first of all, sales, just you drag it over the label. Sales, just you drag it over the subcategory. But we need to find it category. Oh, it is on the up, I think. Country, category, where is category? One minute, sir. Searching for the attribute.
Sir, category is on the top of the row, sir.
Yeah. Just to select the category and drag it over the tab, color tab. That's all.
Okay.
Even you can change the color pattern also, sir. You can change the color combinations also. There you click on colors, edit colors.
Okay, sir.
You can change palettes also. Colors, automatic. Anyhow, by the time I come, that is another application. I will show you in that application, sir.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, they will get confused if I tell more.
Yes, sir.
Here you can find one icon, swap rows and columns. Here, are you able to see this icon, sir?
Yes.
Swap rows and columns. Just you click on that, the visualization changes. The visualization changes by clicking on the icon, this icon. This is column wise. This is row wise. You can select your visualization either by row wise or column wise.
Yes, sir.
Just you click on this. Just you click on swap rows and columns. You can use your keyboard also. Control W. Control W. Now you can. This is sorting. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order, descending order. Just we are choosing the icons, sir. Just by selecting the appropriate icon, you are making transformations.
Sir, can you add a few more columns and show?
Few more columns. Actually, we cannot add columns as we like, sir.
Okay, sir.
Because you first of all you need to understand what visualization we require. For that only you require the specified blue pills and red pills. We cannot drag every blue pill and drag blue pill and green pill on the both row shelf and column shelf. It should be happened systematically.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But after some experience, after making many visualizations, you know, sir, you know.
Yes, sir.
You are able to judge, you are able to assess, you are able to select which columns and which rows, which columns, and I mean row shelves, and what are the row shelves and what are the column shelves need to be filled. That can be done through experience only, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is visualization 2. This is basic visualization 2.
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will show you manual, sir, so that you can have better understanding. Yes. Sir, are you able to see the material right now?
Yes, sir.
So, the column shelf includes category, the row shelf includes sales. Similarly, the color tab includes category and label tab includes sales. You can go through the manual. To flip the bar chart horizontally, you can choose this icon. We already did it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next line chart. Line chart, we already did it. Next pie chart. From this task, I have clear manual, sir. From this task only, I have very clear manual.
Okay, sir.
First of all, step 1, drag the dimension subcategory on column cell. So column shelf subcategory. Row shelf, sales. Go to show me. Here I need to select the pie chart and enable legends. Then you can shift to control plus B to change the size of the step 4. You can increase the size. Okay. Totally, this activity have 5 steps. Let's go through these 5 steps, sir. Pie
Yes.
chart. Sir, are you able to see my desktop right now?
Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
Anyhow, I begin from scratch. First of all, we need to double click on Tableau public icon. What is the second step? I need to import Excel file. Microsoft Excel. Where is my Excel desktop? Desktop, Tableau workshop, Tableau data. In the Tableau data, I have an application called, I have an Excel sheet called Sample Superstore. Now I connected the data source Sample Superstore. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir.
What we have to do, we need to drag orders. Next, people. Okay, how many rows we have in orders? Let me see. How many rows, sir? 9,994. Next, people. How many rows I have in people? Just only 4 rows only. How many rows I have in returns table? 296. So, sir, are we invoking any query to see the number of rows the table should contain?
Guys, you need to answer. Are we writing any query to invoke the table here? We are just dragging and dropping things, is it not?
Just we are dragging and dropping on the canvas. We are dragging
Yes,
the
sir.
table on the canvas.
Yes, sir. People are understanding, sir.
First of all, drag orders. Drag table orders onto the canvas. Next, drag people on the canvas. Drag returns on the canvas. Now relationships are established automatically. Sir, you please ask the students, are we invoking any referential integrity, any query? Actually, this is very complex query. Are we invoking any query to establish multifarious relationships?
Sir.
Sir,
See,
you ask the students, sir.
please understand one thing. What sir is telling is, instead of writing a huge number of queries in database, what we are doing is we are just dragging and dropping tables and creating a relationship with them, between them, without actually writing any code. If I'm not wrong, sir.
Yes, exactly. What you said is exact.
Yes, sir. Everybody is saying that we are not invoking any queries.
Just
Please
you need to understand the visual interface. That's all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, now, so before going to go for create a sheet, first of all, we have to make sure whether the relationships had been established properly or not. Now the relationships are established, no issue. The relationships are correct, no issue. So do you have any issue with the relationships? No. Sir, did they got their point what I'm saying, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You ask whether these relationships are correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then we need to select the sheet. If the relationships are wrong, we cannot extract the results, sir. That is the problem. Now the interface has come. First of all, I need to select subcategory. Yes, here. Subcategory on column shelf. Next, I need to select rows. I need to select sales on row shelf. Actually, the visualization is what? By default, visualization is horizontal bar. Default visualization, the software automatically selected visualization horizontal bars.
Yes, sir.
But I don't want that visualization. The visualization given by the software is not required for me. I need some other representation. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody is listening, sir.
Actually, Harbor software provided me default visualization horizontal bar, but I don't require that. For that, I need to select one more visualization, pie chart. Here, pie chart. So the pie chart is appeared, but the data is not visible here. Just to control shift B, control shift B, control shift B. I'm increasing the size of the control horizontal bar. Tables, subcategory tables, sales, accessories, applications, art, binders, bookcase.
Sir, there is one question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Adi Lakshmi has asked a question. Sir, without creating any relationship, can't we do visualization?
Under any circumstances, you cannot do any visualizations without creating relationships, because we are getting data from different tables.
Adi Lakshmi, you should understand that we are trying to visualize some parameter with respect to other parameter, is it not? So
But
if we are
because we
selecting,
don't, because a table, some data may be in table 1, some data may be in table 2, some data may be in table 3. Suppose we have, if you have the entire data in single table, in that case, no need to establish any relationships.
yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Suppose if the data is distributed among the tables, we need to establish the relationship, sir. If data if data exists in single table, then there is no need to make any relationship. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you require the data from the single table, relationships is not required, sir.
Yes, sir.
If some data is in table 1, some data in table 2, some data in table 3, you need data from all the 3 tables. In that case, you definitely you are required to make relationships.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm going to the manual because I forgotten the next step. I'm seeing the manual, but I'm not. Show me. Drag measure sales under. Okay. 1 minute, sir.
No problem, sir.
Next, select sales. Here, I selected sales, green pill. I selected and I dragged over the labels. Now I am going to get the values. Here, I selected sales and dragged over the labels. Again, I'm doing that. You select sales, green pill sales. Just to drag it over the label tab of the marks card. That's all. These are all the called legends. These are all called legends. Subcategory tables, sales, accessories, sales, applicant sales. These are all the legends. You can include the legends. Sir, did you got my point, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
This is a simple, one more simple visualization. You can increase size. You can increase size by selecting the command Control Shift and B simultaneously. You can increase the size. So we did not invoke any regular expressions. We did not make the use of any irregular expressions. Just I dragged both green pills and blue pills on the both column shelf and row shelf and a marks card. Just I am making the column shelf, making use of column shelf, row shelf and marks card. And show me tab.
Yes, sir.
Only 4 tabs only I am making use. You please observe that. First of all, columns, column shelf, next row shelf, next mark shelf, next show me.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is one question, sir. Manas is asking a question. He says, in Tableau, we can exchange, can we exchange or replace the fields as in SQL?
Yes, yes, definitely. You can rename it.
Yes, sir.
But you can rename it, but I did not practice go through that application.
Okay, sir.
So whatever the application, you need to browse it, sir. Actually, there is no teacher for me to demonstrate it. At the time, just I simply gone through the YouTubes. I simply gone through the manual.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I created my material.
Okay, sir.
You can do whatever the visualization you want, sir, but you have to know the procedure.
Can we have more than one chart or a
Yeah, that is you can
visualization in a single sheet, sir?
Yes, we can have multiple sheets. We can integrate multiple sheets as a single sheet. Those are all different concepts. Dashboard and storyboards.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Even you can narrate story for the visualizations what you have selected.
Yes, sir. These are all questions that are being asked. I am asking you.
Yes. We can do it.
Yes,
so,
sir. Thank you, sir.
The dashboard is one application and storyboard is one application.
Yes,
if
sir.
we are well versed with these applications, then we can go for dashboard and storyboards. Understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can I create one dashboard for you, sir?
Sir, we will go through one more application, sir.
Yeah. We can create dashboard right now also. Just with the 2 applications we can create. No issue.
Yeah, we will do that, sir.
Okay. This is application number 3.
Yes, sir.
So are you clear, sir?
Yes, sir. First application, I think all of you have understood. First application, we have seen a simple line chart. Second application, we have seen a bar chart where sir has shown us how to toggle between rows and columns, horizontal and vertical. And third one, we have seen a pie chart, sir, if I am not wrong.
Yes, exactly. And in bar chart, we had made ascending order representation and descending order representation.
Yes, sir. We did that. Sir, one question, sir. I think it was Control B, if I am not wrong.
Control Shift B.
Control Shift B, Shakti Vigneshwaran. In order to, you ask the question, one more question, how to reduce the size we are discussing and how about increasing? It is Control Shift B.
Sir, I will share whatever the applications are demonstrated. I will share the manual.
Yes, sir. I have already told everybody that I will share the entire manual that you have done. We are all thankful to you.
Since this is the online class, it is very difficult to switch between application and manual. Sir. That is the major limitations with the online.
No issue, sir. Let us continue, sir. We will do the dashboard, sir.
No. Can we do dashboard now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, we created one application called pie chart. Here I can rename it just by clicking on it, sheet 1. I can rename this pie chart application. This pie chart. created pie chart created for, sir, what is the organization name, sir? Our organization name?
Learn Square Technologies, sir.
Learn Square. Learn Square. Learn Square.
Learn.
Learn. Learn Square. Learn. Square. Or Learn Square. Apply. Okay. Now you renamed the. Now I am taking one more sheet, sir. This is sheet 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sheet 1 is pie chart created for Learn Square. Sheet 2. Here I have one new worksheet. Are you able to identify the icon, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sheet 2. Sheet 2, we do the same application did in previous experience, previous application, line chart or maybe sheet 2. Here, column shelf, in column shelf, I have category. In row shelf, I have sales. So what is the application, sir? Can you say this? We already did, sir.
Yes, sir. Just now we did, sir.
Bar chart.
Bar chart.
Yes. Here, color. I need to add color for that. For that, I need to select category onto the colors tab of marks card. Here we have marks card. In that marks card, we have one tab color. Next to label. Where is the label? Where is the sales? Here, sales. I have selected the green pill, sales, on the label tab of the marks card. I think this is the application we did it.
Yes, sir.
We can rename this also. This is bar chart application. For Learn Square. Apply. Okay. So I have created sheet 1. Sheet 1 is pie chart. Sheet 2 is bar chart. So how many sheets we created, sir?
3 sheets, sir.
Two, not
2 sheets, sir.
2 sheets. Sheet 1 is pie chart. Sheet 2 is bar chart. Now I am creating a work dashboard. Here you can find an icon dashboard. Sheet 1, first data source, tab 1, data sheet 1, tab 2, sheet 2, tab 2, and new dashboard. Are you able to watch that?
Yes, sir. We
icon,
are able to see that new dashboard, sir.
Just click on that. Click on that. Here in dashboard, you need to include both sheet 1 as sheet 2. Sheet 1 and sheet 2. Now, I think you can able to see both the visualizations in a single sheet.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you maximize this thing, sir? Is it
Actually, the problem is before going to include the both sheet 1 and sheet 2 into the dashboard, we have to adjust both the images that they should be appeared in a single
okay, sir.
screen. I mean single screen. after once we created, we are not privileged to modify it, sir.
Okay, sir.
Understood, sir?
Yes, sir.
Because we have to assess the visualization clearly while creating the sheets itself.
Yes, sir.
How much space is required? How much screen space is required for that visualization? We have to assess. Once we created the sheet one and dragged over the storyboard, it is not possible, sir.
Okay, sir.
So all this can be happened only through practice only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we created a dashboard. This is sheet one. We have to minimize to certain extent only, sir.
Okay, sir.
Because we cannot embed both very big sheets in a single sheet.
Okay, sir.
So the primary guideline is to minimize the size of the sheet.
Yes, sir.
This is sheet one. This is
Sheet
sheet
2.
two. I embed both the sheet one and sheet two in graph in dashboard. So is it possible to include different sheets in a single one more dashboard? Yes. We can include any number of visualizations.
Guys, there were multiple questions from you people when you asked.
Sir, just you run it. You can run it. Here, you can. So,
Sir, one student is asking.
here you can see the presentation. Presentation mode F7.
Yes, sir.
You can see. You can click the key F7. You can get to the presentation mode.
Sir, one question that one student has asked is why can't we use Control Shift B to minimize the dashboard?
No. That control is limited. That control is confined to the
Sheets only.
sheets only, not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But whenever we are making dashboard, you have to very cautious because the screen presence is limited. So we have to include both the visualizations in one screen. In that case, keep your visualization very small and simple.
So Manas, things are clear to you now? Sir, can we go ahead, sir?
What is the time left, sir?
Sir, 8:23. Shall we take questions?
Yeah, we can go for one more visualization, sir. No problem.
Okay, sir. Guys, shall we go in for one more visualization? I want quick answers, please. 3 yes, sirs, 5 yes, sirs, 10 yes, sirs.
So to stop the presentation mode, just you escape.
Yes, sir. Sir, students are very interested. They want one more visualization, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we do scatter charts?
Yeah, I need to, because I need to prepare. Let me see whether it is there in my manual or not. I have 1 minute, sir. Give me 1 minute time.
Yeah. Syed Abdul Ahad, that is what I have asked sir to do scatter plots. It was only for you.
I did, sir. I did, but give me 1 minute of time, sir.
Sir. I am only answering the question to one student.
Yes, sir. I did it. Scatter plot. I did it. Sir, what is the problem with the data visualization, sir? We need to go very slowly because parallelly we need to make the students to prepare. That is my mode of teaching. That can be happen in my college because we have demo LCD, we have systems. 1 minute, sir. I'm searching. Sir, can I demonstrate bubble box plot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, box plot. Just we see the procedure,
Sir,
sir.
can you maximize this window?
Why not? 1 minute, sir. It is not 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Ah,
It okay, sir?
yes, sir.
So distribution of data points, sir. Here, this box plot is used to distribute the show the distribute used to display the distribution of points, sir.
Yes, sir.
Range of variables measured. So what is the range, sir, here? Minus maybe minus 20,000 to
Plus 30,000.
plus 30,000. What is this? 0 to maybe 35. 15 to maybe 5 to 55. Are you able to see this, sir?
Sir, these box plots, if I'm not wrong, are very frequently used in share market. Is it not,
Yes,
sir?
yes, yes,
Candle.
yes. Actually, I am not commerce student, but actually, I don't know where this application exactly
It
used,
is
sir.
used in share market, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. To assess the share market price
Yes, sir.
for a particular share. Yes, sir. So connect sample superstore data source, drag dimension category to columns, drag measure to profit to source, drag measure subcategory on the marks card. And in show me, you choose the option box and whisper plots. So these are all the steps, sir.
Yes, sir.
First of all, we need to connect the superstore. First of all, let's share the desktop.
Sir, your desktop is not shared.
Yeah. 1 minute, sir. I think some problem is there. 1 minute, 1 minute. Mm. 1 minute, sir. I'm sharing the desktop.
Okay, sir.
There, I need to select the Tableau application, sir. Why it is 1 minute, sir? I think. Sir, are you able to see my desktop, sir? Sir?
Sir, we are able to see, sir.
Okay, okay. There, first of all, click on Tableau Public, double click. Sir, is this Tableau Public workbook is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
First of all, what we need to connect Microsoft Excel.
Yes, sir.
From the text X, I need to select the data source. Where is my data source? Desktop. In the desktop, Tableau workshop, Tableau data. Select sample superstore. Open. Now your Tableau workbook is ready. What we need to drag orders, people, returns. Now the relationships are established. Now we can visualize our sheet. Did you got my point, sir?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Already I dragged the tables and relationships has been established. Now I am ready to use my sheet one. Yeah. Now I am going to materials, sir. Box plot. Now connect the drag dimension category to the columns. Drag dimension category to the column, sir. Next step. Drag dimension, drag measure profit to rows. Profit, where is profit? Yes. Green pill. Now an visualization is appears. Next, now drag measure subcategory to the marks card. Measures, where is measure? Subcategory, where is subcategory?
Sir, just above discount, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Subcategory to marks card. Okay. This subcategory marks card. Now we have to choose the visualization. Box and whisker plots. Box and whisker plots. Yes, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Very simple application.
Yes, sir.
So actually, this graph seems to be complex, but the procedure, what we are following, very simple.
Manas, again you are asking that is there any queries are used to create the fields and rows in the table? The tables have been imported from Excel. There are no queries. That is the beauty of Tableau, my dear friend. That the beauty of data visualization is you do not write queries. That is what sir has been saying from the beginning.
Even fifth class, fourth class, fifth class students can also develop the application. If they know what are the measures, what are the dimensions need to be dragged on both row shelf and column shelf and marks card.
Yes, sir.
If they are able to know which dimension and which measure is appropriate for which visualization, he can present.
Yes, sir.
Even fourth, fifth class students also can do that.
Sir, can we take some questions, sir?
Yes, why not?
Guys, any questions?
Sir, I will share the material within 2 days to you, sir.
Yes, sir. I will, as sir has told that he will share the material.
For 5 applications.
Yes, sir. Adilakshmi, if Tableau is that easy, that much easy, then how can we choose it as our career path? Adilakshmi, you have to understand one thing. The data analysis that we do using Python and R that we have learned about in the last class yesterday, that data is visualized using Tableau or Power BI. So it is not, it is Tableau programming or Tableau is not just one part of it. If you want to do your data science course, you have to know Python and R, and along with that, you should also be able to use Tableau for visualization. Analysis is done in Python and R. That is what you have to understand.
So most of the actually people have myth that most of the software people need to write the complex code and everything else. But 95% of the software engineers are not required to write any source code.
Yes, sir.
Just they need some common sense, that's all. That is the development today. Because of the artificial intelligence, everything happens very, very, very easy and instantaneous.
Sir, one question that is being asked is, uh, what about data visualization using Excel? Is data visualization in Excel complicated, sir?
Yes, definitely complicated.
Okay, so using Tableau, data visualization becomes very easy.
Yes, sir. Very simple, sir. Earlier we used to do banking transactions, internet transactions. There we need to remember passwords, everything. Now for phone pay, is it required to remember all the passwords and is it required to select many more options, sir?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay.
Just we are doing instantaneous operation. Just we are selecting the phone number and we are paying the amount.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But so definitely internet transaction is complicated while compared to phone pay.
Yes, sir.
Like that only, uh, writing formulas and choosing formulas in Excel is very, very difficult because we cannot remember the formula. We need to say, uh, store the formula in some Word document. We need
Yes,
to
sir.
save the formulas
Sir,
in
there
Word
is
document. We
one
need to
more
remember it.
question. There is one more question.
Eh,
It says, what is the real world application for Tableau?
Actually, whenever you are getting election results, in the same screen, you are getting the video, you are getting the results, you are getting the Rajasthan results, you are getting the
Ah,
AP results, you are getting the Tamil Nadu results. How it can happen?
so
Only dashboard application, that is that dashboard application.
Syed Hasanin Wasi, just wait for some time. Let us close this session. Any other questions?
Sir, is it possible to share recorded session to me, sir?
Yes, sir. I will send it, sir.
Okay, sir. Any
So,
queries? Can I close the session, guys?
yeah, sir. There are no queries. People are answering no. I'll just wrap up the session, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Definitely, you need to go more than 200 applications, sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
we gone through 4 applications, but we need to go for 200 applications.
Yes, sir.
Now if time permits, we will do.
Monish, Tableau or Power BI. Tomorrow you are going to have Power BI also. You should be able to understand whether it is which is better, Tableau or Power
The
BI.
procedure is same, sir. The procedure is everything is same, but the tools are distinct.
Sir, can I take over?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much, sir. Uh, I don't want to be blind. I want to see all of you. Hey guys, now the question comes. We will take a quick wrap. I'll just take 5 minutes before I say goodbye to all of you. The first thing that I will answer is there have been a lot of questions regarding yesterday's class and today's class. Yesterday's class was all about data analysis. Today's class, after doing the entire analysis, if I want to visualize the data graphically, this is this is what we do. We use Tableau here. So that is point number 1. Second question which has been asked is, which is more optimistic and efficient, Power BI or Tableau or Excel? There have been a lot of questions regarding this. Now, please understand one thing. In comparison to Excel, Power BI and Tableau are going to be much more easier because they will not be, you will neither require to write code nor you require to write what is called as formulas. So in comparison to in comparison to Excel, Power BI and Tableau are going to be much more simpler. Point number one. Point number two, if you're talking of the comparison between Power BI and Tableau, it is for you to understand, because tomorrow we are going to do Tableau. For it will be you who will be able to understand that which is going to be easier, which is going to be more powerful. As sir was just telling us that, then why the sir was just telling us that both are having similar properties. Manas, you say, why should we use Excel, sir? Point number one, where are you going to get the data set from, my dear friend? Data, if you have seen, sir has imported the Excel tables into Tableau, and he is using those Excel tables in order to create all the visualizations, is it not? So the reason why we need to, Mr. Anirudh, you seem to be very bothered about the certificate. My dear friend, certificate will come only after tomorrow's class. Yes, I'm talking about the certificate only. So Manas, am I clear about why we should use Excel? Good. Now, yesterday we have seen about data analysis. Today we have seen what is called as data visualization. Tomorrow we will see one more tool, that is Power BI for data visualization, very soon. Now, questions about WhatsApp link. I will just type the WhatsApp link here right now. It is bit.ly/LSTCHANNEL. Charan, about recording sessions. Recording sessions will be available. The link to the recording sessions will be available in the WhatsApp channel. They will be uploaded in the 3 or 4 days. Ravinder, sir, his PDF. Sir, his PDFs are shared in the WhatsApp channel. The PDF of today's session is going to be shared as soon as Ravi Kiran sir gives. As far as tomorrow's faculty is concerned, tomorrow we are going to have one more sir. Bhuvan sir is going to be with us. He is going to explain us about Power BI. Shall we say good night to all of you? Can I have good nights, please? Good night, and we will see you tomorrow again.